Now I'm done frying this thing, my veggies, and here is my rice. So the question now, say because I don't put na ingredient na make am ready like this. Then this one, I don't know wetin I dey add wey be say they turn to that color wey they turn to. Huh? Now they cause am take. So here is me now pouring my. So last time I said the veggie is too small. This one now, na 2K veggies video. Because the rice, I need to see the rice. The water is not dry. Finish. Abi, the this is too small again. Because this 8 cup of rice, I just want to know eat out tomorrow too. I come out from there before rice pour for body.
Jebu ma the tomato there.
I'm not put tomato now. If they put tomato, they will tell me for commercial today.